Hello everybody, my name is Raihan and I am coming from Research Camp. Today I am going to tell an interesting topic and first of all I will thank our respectable teacher Raihan sir to give me a golden chance to tell something in front of you, and also I will thank our respectable anchor Ashish to call me on the stage. So today my topic is about how the earth moves in different seasons. So we all know that there is different kinds of seasons like summer, monsoon, winter, autumn, spring. So these seasons are very favorite for us, but today I am going to discuss about how the Earth moves around the Sun in different seasons. So first of all, I will discuss about in summer season. In summer season, when Earth go closer to Sun, little closer to Sun, all the planets move closer to Sun. So when Earth come very closer to sun. For that, in summer season, we feel very hot, and in the monsoon season, when the Earth go not closer to sun also, not far away from sun also. It stay in the middle of all the planets and stars. For that, we feel little hot also, cold also. And for that also the rain happened. After that, now I will discuss about how the autumn, which in autumn season, how the earth moves. Like, similar like monsoon time, earth stay in the middle of the all the stars and planets. For that, in autumn also we feel cold and hot. So in winter season, when Earth come very far away from Sun, from that middle space of all the planets, when the Earth come out of that space, after that the sunlight can't reach properly to our Earth because for the clouds. Hide the sun, like now in this time is winter, so here is a very cold wind is coming to our houses and buildings. So the clouds are hiding the sun because, and we are feeling cold also because Earth is already colder, and sun makes the earth temperature good because if sun is not there, so earth is full of ice only because there is uh, there is 3/4 water also. For that level of the water, the earth becomes colder. So for that, it can change into a cold planet. So after coming far from sun, the earth become little cold than other seasons because the sunlight also can't reach to the earth's atmosphere, and other planets also come little far from sun because earth is also coming, so other planets also will come. So with the passage of time, all planet comes change their places uh, places from the solar system. Uh, So thank you to listen my this lecture, and I will thank our respectable teacher to listen my this lecture. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Our best lecture about suitable topic. One by one, you will be called to talk about your selected topic. Our respected panel already printed on the stage, and very younger speaker, Jeet, congratulations you. Thank you so much.